Set the mic on the table, coffee ring by your notes. MB Podcast, you already know the code. You talk that real talk from the first word on. Late night truth in a fresh white cap in the room, leaning strong. Say it once, say it right, turn it down in the light. We've been waiting for this sound. MB, pull it down. MB Podcast, say it again.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Mainstream Baby Podcast.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
I'm Johnny.
And I'm Dolos.
And I'm Senuthmi.
Yes.
ඉතින් guys අපි හිතුවා අපේ කලින් වීඩියෝ එක පොඩ්ඩක්
Yeah.
වයිරල් ගියා.
Viral
Yes.
ගොඩක්
Viral
viral.
ගියා.
අපි ඇත්තටම කිව්වොත් ආසයි චුට්ටක් වයිරල් යනවට. Thank you. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ opinions comments වලට thank you. So Johnny.
පට්ට comments එකක් ආවා.
Yes.
Yes. I mean basically it's negative comments. So,
Yes.
Ubaid,
Yes.
what was your question that day?
My
හරි
question.
මම පොඩ්ඩක් දෙයක් කියන්න.
අහන්න.
හරිද?
Okay.
දැන් එතනදී මෙමයි සමහරක් කට්ටිය කියලා තිබ්බ දේවල් අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් ඇත්ත කියන්න පුළුවන් සමහරක් කට්ටිය කියපු ඒවා වැරදි හරි එහෙම කියන්න පුළුවන් comment section එකේ. So my opinion on what happened is
Wait, let us speak.
okay, my opinion is දැන් හිතන්න now it's their money no
Yeah.
a multi-millionaire
Yeah.
ගැනනේ ඔයා කතා කරේ.
Yeah, yeah.
ඔයා ලස්සන පොයින්ට් එකක් පොයින්ට් අවුට් කරා වීඩියෝ එකේ පිරිසිදුවට කියන්නේ අර ෆුඩ් හොඳ කෑම
Okay.
කන්න ඒකටත් වියදම් that is true.
Okay.
හරිද? හොඳ කෑමට කියන්නේ සල්ලි තියාගෙන හරියට නිකන් හොඳ කෑම නොකා නොබී හරියට ඒ කියන්නේ let's say අපිරිසිදු ඇඳුම් ඇඳගෙන ඉන්න එක ඇත්තටම අවුල්. That's what you meant ඒ වෙලේ. So I agree with that. And also about not being clean හරියට කොණ්ඩේ කපලා නියපොතු ටික කපලා ඒ කියන්නේ ඒකට සල්ලි තියෙන්න ඕනේ නෑනේ.
I have to speak those stuff.
Yes, okay, no, I'm just saying my opinion because I'll come to another point.
Okay.
So ඒක හරි. But you said a multi-millionaire will have a normal car.
හරි.
හරිද? ඒක මචං මෙහෙමයි. a multi-millionaire කොහොමත් single life එකක් කොහොමත් අපි හරි majority බැලුවොත් එහෙම ගත කරන්නේ නැහනේ. Obviously that man has a family. So ඒ මිනිස්සයාට පුළුවන් නම් car එකක් normal car එකක් අරගෙන he has to spend on his children education. හිතන්න රට යවනවා නම් ඒ ළමයි high education වලට ඊට වැඩිය වියදම් කරන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට ඒ වගේ දේවල් වලට හරි business investments.
හරි.
I think although he's a multi-millionaire, he has other stuff to invest in and spend on as a father or as a businessman. So he has those stuff rather than buying a luxurious car that matches his income. That was my point.
Okay.
Yeah, so go ahead with yours.
What was your question that they tell
My question was,
Okay.
එච්චර සල්ලි තියාගෙන why can't a millionaire, let's say a
He
millionaire,
meant there are some people who have money in their bank account. They don't spend for anything.
For
that is what I
anything
mean.
in the
For
sense,
anything
can
in the
you
sense,
anything in the sense?
Clothes. I mean, spending on themselves. Either they don't give at least for a hinganek, they don't give like money. So that what he meant.
Yeah,
Why
I
are they
keep with-
like that කියලා?
Yes.
Yeah, why are they like that කියලා තමයි. There are
හරි,
people like
ඒක
that.
ඔයා කියන කතාව ඔකේ හරි but ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් වැරදියට පොඩ ආව වචන දෙක තුනක් because අර
Okay, listen.
Yeah.
Now, why are we working hard to have a better life, right?
yes.
Okay. Now I have a bike.
Yes.
You think when I can afford a car, I would not buy a car?
Okay, let's say you can afford maybe a very good car. Let's say or let's say you can buy a BMW.
Okay.
හරිද? or BMW එකකුත් ගන්න පුළුවන්. You have the money to pay monthly, let's say 3-4 lakhs a month lease එක දාලා ගන්න. හරි? You have that money. But also it's more convenient if you take like a Toyota Civic. අර
හරි.
තියෙන පරණ මොඩල් එකක් කියමුකෝ. හොඳට පෙට්‍රලුත් කරනවා. හරිද? හොඳට පෙට්‍රල් කරනවා, ඉඩ තියෙනවා, ගෙදර වැඩ වලටත් හොඳයි, ෂූට්ස් වලට යන්නත් හොඳයි. Which car would you buy? Now you have other expenses also in your house. You can't forget that. You take care of your family as well. No?
Okay.
So you have that. ඉතින් ඔයා කෙලින්ම හිතන Toyota Civic එකට ඔයා දෙන්න ඕනේ about 1 lakh only per month.
හරි.
And BMW එකට you have to spend around 6 lakhs per month.
එතකොට මං
එතකොට
yeah, එතකොට I will go for Civic
Yeah.
only.
Exactly. So ඔයාට ඒ 6 lakhs ගෙවන්න පුළුවන්
හරි.
monthly. But if you pay that 6 lakhs ඔයාට අනිත් වැඩ ටික හිර වෙනවා.
Okay, that's what we are trying to say. Some people they have the money to afford even a BMW right now, but they don't spend it.
So if it's
It's their wish. Okay,
Yeah,
it's their
it's their
wish.
wish.
My opinion, I will spend it.
Yeah, that's
හරිද?
your money.
Listen,
you
my
decide
opinion.
how
at
to
the
spend it.
end of the day, everyone dies. හරිද?
Yes.
Now my question is, Now you're working so hard, harida,
Yes.
and you're not spending it on yourself or any other people, harida. Now what's the point of working that hard?
yeah මෙහෙමයි වාක්‍ය.
Yeah, you answer my question.
yes
What's the point of working that hard?
Now I'm saying, for example,
මෙමයි
how the Jeff Bezos-
spending on yourself කිව්වම there are different ways
Bro,
rather than desires.
No, bro.
Not
I'll tell you
desire. I'm not
something.
talking about desires.
Yeah.
Clothing.
Yeah, clothes.
Clothing.
මෙහෙමයි if it shouldn't
And
be very
some-
branded clothes.
No, not branded, mate.
yeah good clothes.
I'm talking about normal clothing. They are children. Nothing. Even for a beggar, they don't even spend anything. Harida.
Yeah.
People know they have plenty of money and they don't even help others.
yeah
Okay, at the end of the day, there are some people.
yeah there are
Okay, they die, right?
yes
Okay. You tell, what's the point of working that hard
Yeah,
and
එතකොට-
collecting them?
yes.
Useless, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's their wish. Okay, we
Yes.
agree.
Yes.
Their
Yeah.
wish. In that case, we are wrong. Okay.
Yes.
What's the point of working that hard?
yes
Harida. That's what we are trying to say. He asked that question. For that opinion only we give. It's my opinion. Huh? I'm not telling you all to be like that. It's just our opinion.
yeah.
yeah
Yes.
yes
And the main concern for people is they are telling podi unta podcast එකක් දාලා දීලා කියලා.
Yes.
The thing is we are not babala harida. We are 20 years old. We are well matured to speak. I mean we are not
Yeah.
giving advice to
We
anyone.
have not
We are
achieved
just
much, but we are just
we know to talk.
Yeah, we know
we are
that,
20
yeah.
years old. We are just talking within ourselves.
එහෙම බැලුවොත් මෙහෙම කියන්නත් පුළුවන් about 40-50 year old people also talk bullshit in podcast නැද්ද කියන්නකෝ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hari.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have to, yeah.
ඒක තමයි.
I agree,
Again, we can't measure an age and tell she can do this, he can
Yeah,
do
yeah.
this, that one can't, this one can't. දැන් පොඩි කාලේ අපිට ඉස්කෝලේ යනකොට කොණ්ඩේ කලර් කරන්න දුන්නේ නැහනේ. දැන් කාලේ පොඩි ළමයිනුත් එහෙම කරනවා. That's because with this, technology generation, things change. Actually, this generation has come to a point where age doesn't matter concept comes to a lot of categories. When it comes to relationships, when it comes to businesses, ලොකු businessmen දැන් අපි ඇහුවත් කවුද මේ කරන්නේ? 20-year-olds, 22-year-olds ලොකු business. එහෙනම් ඉතින් කියන්න ඕනේ පොඩි ළමයිනේ business උත් නොකර ඉන්නේ කියලා. That is also a thing.
ඇතර බැලුව යන පොඩි ළමයි බා.
Yeah, we are adults.
Comment දාන ඔක්කොම I mean maybe 40
Yeah.
15
Yeah.
ඒගලන්ට බලනකොට I think
පොඩි yes.
Yeah.
thing
නෑ
ඇති.
මම දැක්ක සමහර පොඩියුනුත් දානවා මේ පොඩියුනුත් මේ පොඩ්කාස්ට් කරනවාගේ.
මෙන් අතන පොඩි මිස්ප්ලේස් වෙච්ච පොයින්ට් එකක් තියෙනවා. y'all කියන්නේ දැන් එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරපු තරම් ඔයාලට ඒ වීඩියෝ එකේ එක්ස්ප්ලেইන් කරන්න බැරි වුණා for some
බැරි
reason. some
We were
reason.
basically arguing.
Yeah. we නිකන් අර කට වෙන්න
නෑ
දෙන්නේ.
හරියට podcast එක බැලුවොත් they might understand
Yes.
එක theory එක.
ඒකයි podcast එක full බලන්න.
podcast එක full බලන්න.
Yeah. එතන මම පොඩි මේ GTR Range Rover scene එකක් කියන පොඩ එක ගණන් ගන්න එපා.
මෙයා පොඩ්ඩක් ක්ලිප් කරන්න guys.
පොඩ එහෙම scene එකක් කියන මම වැඩි දන්නේ නැහැ. ඒත් යා මට කියන්න ඕන එක නෙමෙයි කටින් ආවේ.
ඒකෙන් තමයි පටන් ගත්තේ මම හිතන්නේ.
යා ඒකෙන් තමයි පටන් ගත්තේ.
And again we are saying we are not here to advise anyone.
Yeah.
We are just
Yes.
talking within ourselves.
It's just for-
young argument.
And also this podcast is mainly about just sharing our conversation
and
with
this is
you all.
not our podcast. as
Yeah,
well.
මේක අපි
we are
කරන්නේ.
getting paid and we are just
Yes.
talking about life.
And also we are not getting paid to promote something
Yeah.
that is not suitable for promotion. It's just a conversation. For the time being that we are sitting here, only we get paid.
Yes.
Not for promoting anything that කූත් අපි සල්ලි ගෙවන පලියට promote කරන්නේ
Yeah,
නැහැ.
yeah.
Yes.
You can see I don't think
Yeah,
we promote
we
anything,
didn't
right?
promote anything.
Yeah.
අපි එක එක නිකන් වෙන brands උත් අපි මෙතන කතා කරලා තියෙනවා without getting paid even a
Yeah,
cent. Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah, so that's what we were trying to say.
Yeah.
එදා there was a scene. A guy in a vessel, හරිද? Then I was behind the car. He's like reversing. One beggar is like shouting, "Nasama ponu kenaselde."
මොනාද මේ අර මේ කර්ස් කරද්දි
Curse
some
කරද්දි
people
මොනවද
they
කියන්නේ?
say,
Nasama ponu like you should like perish කියලා මොනවද කියන්නේ?
හෙන ගහන්න ඕනේ.
හෙන ගන්න ඕනේ මේ
You should හෙන ගන්න since you should like perish. ඒ scene නැද්ද?
නෑ මේ
ජීවිතේම හෙන ගන්න ඕනේ කියන.
Yes. ඒ
He's shouting.
ඒ කියන්නේ යාට වරදින්න ඕනේ වගේ scene
Ah,
එකක්.
yeah.
Yes.
He's
ඔබ
shouting.
ජීවිතෙන් ගොඩ යන්න හොඳ
No,
නෑ
I
ඒ
was
වගේ
thinking,
නිකන්.
what's the point, bro? What's the point?
ඌට සල්ලි දුන්නේ නැහැ කියලා.
No, I mean,
එහෙමද?
100 rupees not a big deal for the vessel guy, right? Vessel is around 200. It's their life, okay? Still
Yeah,
I'm telling it's their life. What's the point, bro? You have a car like worth it's around 28 million.
This
Yeah.
is what
මෙමයි.
this is what දැන් ඒක එයාගේ අතේ තියෙනයි වෙසල් කාර්යාගේ අතේ. ඌ
Yeah.
දෙන ගානේ උගේ මයින්ඩ් එකේ තන් තියෙන්නේ. But that beggar
Yeah.
හරිද ඌ හම්බ කරලා ඌ එයාට දෙන්න ඕනි කියලා මේක නෑ.
Yeah, it's there, but
It's there this one.
at least a small
මෙහෙමනේ
help
it's
for
it's that
courtesy.
beggars mistake maybe
it's like
එයාගේ-
this හරිද now you have a phone that's worth about almost 5 lakhs okay doesn't mean you can give straight away 10k to a beggar
Yeah.
on point ne
You can't take you 100 rupees.
hari
Can't take you
100 rupees
rupees.
දුන්නේ නැද්ද එයා?
Can't take you 100 rupees. You think
no how much did that guy give to the beggar
he didn't give anything.
හරි.
ඒනං
ඒනං
ඉතින්
ඉතින්.
that's it.
Yeah.
හරි.
මේවන මෙහෙම කන්සෙප්ට් එකකුත් තියෙනවා ලංකාවේ I don't know මේක මම දැනගෙන ඒත්
Some
beggar
people
කෙනෙක්
they say-
ආවම beggar කෙනෙක් ආවම මම සල්ලි දෙනවා because I don't
that's
care
a usual beggar who's there.
okay usual beggar na it's way more dangerous
Yes.
okay because there are some points make a it's proven also it's there are proof and මිනිස්සුත් හොයාගෙන
Okay.
තියෙනවා කට්ටියව මෙහෙම හල යනවා beggars ලව ඒගොල්ලන්ට සල්ලි විකොත් කරගන්න කියලා there is a
ඒගොල්ලන්ගෙන්
movie
ගාණක්
also
ගන්නවද?
ඒ ඔක්කොම අරගෙන ඒගොල්ලන්ට ගාණක් දීලා අනිත් ඔක්කොම එක ලොක්කෙක් ගන්නවා හරිද I've seen near my school sorry near my school there was this auntie මම සාමාන්‍යයෙන් උදෙන්ම ඉස්කෝලේ යනවා because I was a prefect I have to like you know මොනවාද මේ arrange the class and do all of that so මම ඇවිදගෙන යනකොට ඉස්කෝලේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් දෙකෙන් පස්සේ මේ අමාරුවෙන් ඉන්න beggar උදේ පාන්දර she's wearing a short skirt with lipstick and she's like fully groomed up in the morning
Professional එකට එනවා.
yeah she's walking here and there and then the same lady after school when I see she's wearing all these torn clothes and I saw her she's going behind it you know ලොකු ගහක් තියෙනවා ඒ ගහ පිටිපස්සේ සමහරගේ 3 wheel stand එකේ කට්ටියක් දන්නවා and she you know the best part එයා ඔහොම suitcase එකකින් ඔය ලස්සන ඇඳුම් එහෙම තියාගෙන she does that is one part there is another I think you all have also seen this one this girl ඒ අම්මේ තව දරුවෙක් special child can't walk can't talk in a wheelchair මේ අරගෙන යනවා එයාට මං හිතන්නේ දැන් ඒ ළමයාව දැක්කම පව් කියලා හිතනවනේ එතකොට ඔය සල්ලි තියෙන මිනිස්සු මං හිතන්නේ 5000 10000 එහෙම දෙනවා ඇති this one 3 wheel uncle told me ඒක කොෙන් හරි වටෙන් ගිහිලා she has a 5-story house
The beggar.
yes she has a 5-story house ඇතුල් පාරක කවුරුත් දන්නේ නැහැ
බලනකොට actually beggars are very rich. I mean,
yes
wealthy than us.
so ඔය reason එක හින්දා වෙන්නේ නැති දැනගෙන මොකද සමහරක් කට්ටියට හොඳට අතපය තියෙනවා සමහරක් කට්ටිය I've seen abnormal and special people working to earn money maybe you know sweeping the garden sweeping and වත්තු සුද්ධ කරන අංකල්ලා ඒගොල්ලන් ගොඩක් මහන්සි වෙනවා කීයක් හරි හම්බ කරන්න but at the same time there are people who don't work do anything just want to promote the fact that they are homeless
හරි බං.
ඔයා දන්නවද සමහර මිනිස්සු now let's say a beggar is there එයාට සල්ලි දෙන්න ගියාම එයා කියනවා දෙන්න එපා මෙයා ඒ සල්ලි ටික අරන් කුඩු ගන්නවා කියලා. එයා කුඩු ගැව්වත් නැතත් එයාට සල්ලි දුන්නොත්
The thing
it's a human no
the
එයා
thing is, if you give, you'll get the merit.
yeah
He doing bad things from
Yes.
that money, that's his problem.
we shouldn't judge
Yeah, we
let's
shouldn't
give him
judge.
money and
if you have a doubt මෙයා කුඩු ගහයි කියලා දැන් එයා ඉල්ලන්නේ කන්න නම් you buy him a meal
Yeah,
a
buy
good
him a meal.
a
Yes.
water bottle
Yeah.
meal එතකොට
The
we
thing
can't
is, from your 50 rupees 100, he can't do a big thing, right?
yeah
yeah
Actually, just saying the fact. So, ඔයාට ඒ merit එක හම්බ වෙනවා.
Yes.
You give. So that's what I'm saying. ඒක like පෙසල් කාරයට can't give 50 rupees.
no the thing is ඒකයි දැන් අර ඒ concept එක හරි
Yeah,
but
yeah.
also some people have that in mind මෙච්චර මේ සල්ලි තියෙන මිනිස්සු ඇයි මෙහෙම sometimes they think යාලව දම්මලය කරනවා කියලා sometimes they think they're actually rich but sometimes actually there are poor people so you can't be searching all of that no if you have something just give
No, my concern is
Yeah.
that why being that rich and not being
Yeah.
able to provide for some people? I mean, no point
mean,
in being rich.
ඒගොල්ලෝ
I mean, yeah, it's
මිනිස්සු.
still their money. දැන් කෑ ගන්න එපා හරිද comment එක ගන්න එපා it's
Yeah.
their money කියලා. Just saying in my opinion.
yeah
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
so if you're rich, would you spend more money on yourself or loved ones? I would spend on my loved ones more than
yeah
me.
mom
I would spend on me to stay healthy and stay strong like maybe my medications and
The
all of
main
that
reason I'm working so hard to spend it to my loved ones. My mom, father, brother.
yeah same
yeah
Yeah.
මේක කියන්න දෙහෙන මෙහෙමයි honestly for like ගෙදර and stuff now let's say I earn මට දැන් තියෙනවා කියලා 50000 about 30 to 40,000 I spend on my family and on my loved one. I barely take about 5 to 6,000 for
Yeah,
myself.
maybe same case.
Most of the time. කියන්නේ මම මේකප් මොන හරි දැන් I've been having this Temu cart for about 2 months although I had the money.
order එක place කරේ නෑ.
නෑ මං order එක place කරේ නෑ because I know if I spend this money on me
Family
I
එක provide
won't
කරන්න
yes
නැති
I won't have money to provide for the others. So ඒක නිසා I had it for 2 months and finally yesterday I checked out. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's how life is.
I want to spend මගේ ගෙදරට but මගේ තාත්තා එක් ගන්නෑ because he wants to provide
In
and
that
he's-
case, his dad is at top, huh?
I know.
And he is part lucky as well.
Yes.
නෑ එම නෑ but
No, I mean,
he
really.
wants me to spend on my mother.
Ah,
Now that's
really?
cute. That's cute.
Big
Then-
respect for your dad.
Yes.
Actually,
Yeah.
yeah.
Honestly. You one day you have to become someone like your dad, honestly.
Yeah, bro.
No, he has told he won't be dependent on him, though. He will like live from his own money.
Who?
His dad.
Oh
You
damn.
ever seen that?
but මට ඒම කරන්න කැමති නෑ.
No, I'm just telling
ඒ
you.
වුණාට දැක්කද ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් මෙහෙම
He's not
ගොඩක්
trying to be a
මිනිස්සු
burden to you, bro.
yeah you know ගොඩක් මිනිස්සු like වයසට you know some things that I've heard from actual people in front of my eyes and my ears හරිද they say ළමයි හදන්න ඕනේ because වයසට ගියාම එයාලට කියලා අපිව බලා ගන්න. Okay wait.
No, that is also true.
That
No,
is true.
that is
but,
true.
But the main motive shouldn't be that.
Yeah, too.
Yeah, හරිද but you know they for 18 years you know bro සතියකට කණ්ඩ දෙනවා කියන්නේත් මිනිස්සෙක්ට මාර අමාරුයි. So imagine for 18 to maybe some people 22 23 වෙලත් ඒත් ඉන්නවනේ මිනිස්සු හිතනවා part time job එකක් කරන්න පටන් ගන්න පුළුවන් 18 වෙද්දි so let's keep 18. So 18 වෙද්දි 18 වෙනකන් for school monthly classes transportation food so much money. I think millions and millions you have to spend on children. So either the parents expect or not.
It's your basic thing to provide
Yeah,
back to
It's
them.
your basic courtesy
Yeah, courtesy to provide back to them.
to provide back
ඔයා
to
දැක්කද ඊයේ
your
පෙරේද
parents.
අර ළමෙක්ව පාරේ
Yeah,
දාලා ගිහිල්ලා
ගහලා.
කනට ඔක්කොම ගහලා
The thing, no. What happened is there is a couple. Either the wife has a bad affair with another guy.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
A secret affair. Either. Then what he has to do? The guy, right? The affair guy, secret affair guy, has like
මොනාද ගහලා
abused the girl. No, abuse in the sense like physical,
Yeah.
not sexually, I guess, physically.
අර නිකන් ගහලා ඒ වගේ
That girl's one side is like me.
මේම ඇවිල්ලා පොඩි
I can show you the picture. Wait.
Oh my god.
yeah she's like I think 5
So the
4
mom
years.
hasn't done anything?
Secret affair.
Yeah.
Maybe the mom.
and the real like එයාගේ
Real father?
actual husband එයා ඒක ගැන කතා කරනවා මේ වෙන scene එක ගැන
Hmm.
එයාගේ අර ඇත්ත husband මේක ගැන කතා කරනවානේ
Yeah, wait. Yeah. I think what he did, man, here. Wait, I don't want to show the creator's face. Look at the girl's face. මේක
How weird.
පේනවද දන්නේ නැහැ මම රූපේ දාන්න මම ඇඩ් කරන්න broadcast එකට මේ පවුන මේ
ඔව් බා
the thing is there's
I-
another clip. She's in the hospital. A police is asking kindly who hit you කියලා. She's saying අයියලු.
Oh my god.
Don't know what happened exactly. I didn't watch the
ඒගොල්ලෝ එයාව එමෙ පාරේ දාලා ගිහිල්ලලු
yeah පාරේ දාලා ගිහිල්ලා බං. ඔව් යා.
පව් බා
Oh, වැඩේ. You know, one thing that I'm really upset about is now there are parents who make children in the head කියන්නේ එයාලා ආසාවෙන් I want to become a mom, I want to become a dad, I really want a nice family කියන motive එකේ ඔළුවේ තියාගෙන they have children. That is really nice. Then those children have like a really good family life. But some parents, they make children for the sake of making children, and you don't need to have money
the
to
thing
love,
is,
no.
but there are some arranged marriages like without
Yeah.
their consent, like
Yeah,
marriage
and I
money.
feel so bad for the
නෑ, but
children.
some people ඒ මාර ඒගොල්ලොන්ගේ අර කන්සර්න් එක තිබ්බත් නැතත් ළමයෙක් ලැබුණෙන් පස්සේ they change man
Yeah, but some people will always remain selfish. Now see, මේ ළමයා චූටි ඉන්න මෙන් what can this child do? You imagine?
Even us, if something
Yeah.
knocks to our face, it's painful, bro.
Yeah.
Ah,
he-
bro, power
එයාට
mention.
ඒම
Body
ගාලා
killer,
ගැන
bro,
මේ
it's
මිදිලා
like
bro
this, bro.
So because of parents' problems, the child only has to go through a lot.
Yeah.
Because අපි අම්මා කෙනෙක් ගත්තොත් දැන් husband and wife ගත්තොත් let's say husband and wife. If the husband is not satisfied with that wife, the husband has the, ඒක වැරදි වුණත් the husband has the, right කියන්න බෑ, but husband has the chance to go and seek what from another woman what he's not getting from the wife, no.
Yeah.
Now wife the husband if she's not happy with the husband, she can have that husband vibe from another person. That's why most marriages cheat වෙලා ඔය ගොඩක් ප්‍රශ්න යන්නේ. But if you think about the child, if the child doesn't have a proper mother or father, the child cannot seek that father bond, that mother bond from another person. No, එතකොට කොහෙන් ගියත් ළමයා තමයි තැලෙන්නේ.
Next.
So but මෙහෙමයි, we can't expect a family to have like a smooth family life
හැබැයි
because
මොනවා වුණත් ප්‍රොබ්ලම්ස් ආවම ওই ෆැමිලි එක තවත් බොන්ඩ් එක සමහර
සමහර තැන්වල.
ස්ට්‍රෝං වෙනවා.
සමහර
Because
තැන්වල.
දැන් let's say husband and wife they fight and then they come and say sorry and again they fight and ඒක අර බොන්ඩ් එකේ
that is arguments between those two in just day to day life and එහෙමනේ. But when another third party is included, එතන ලොකු ප්‍රශ්නයක් එනවා. හරිද? When a third party is included, that is a thing that cannot be forgotten, because when the trust is broken, it's very hard to live a family life. So ඉතින් ඒකයි ළමයි
ඒක
ගොඩාක්
වුණාම do you like believe in second chances? like ඒ වගේ දෙයක්
I've
වුණා නම්
seen people
ඔය ළමයාගේ මූණ තැල්ල
නෑ, නෑ, නෑ,
no, no,
නෑ,
it can,
I mean-
let's say your husband or
like
wife
different
cheats.
affairs
different
තියෙනවා
things.
yeah.
There are second chance. ඒ වුණාට ඒත් once
But
a snake
I think like දැන් මම දැකලා තියෙන සමහර කෙල්ලෝ now ඒගොල්ලෝ they cheat and when they get caught they cry. හරිද?
that's a tactic. Oh, what's
Okay,
that,
they
bro?
cry.
What's that?
This is actually pink turn lip balm. It's a herbal lip balm. It turns pink, but I already have lipstick, so I pain at the way.
It turns pink?
Turns
Yeah,
pink?
it turns pink. It's like a white color makeup,
Huh?
but it
පොඩි
turns
pink shade එකක් තියෙනවා
Yeah, පොඩි
මේකේ.
pink shade එකක් තියෙනවා ඇතුලේ.
Herbal.
Yeah, it's herbal. So our lips dry වුණාම ගාලා පොඩක් තියන්න පුළුවන්. Although I have lipstick, my lips dry වෙනවා. As you can see, my අතු dry වෙනවා. So I have dry
අත dry වෙනවද?
Yeah.
I brought something today.
What is it?
He didn't bring anything, bro.
ගාලා බලන්න.
Ayura soft.
I'm,
Are you ready for Minister's Beauty?
Yes. It's like
That's
moisturizer.
what I thought.
අපේ මේ podcast එකේ
Yeah.
chef told me. Smells good, no?
Yeah, they
so
gave
it's
me, but මට අමතකුණා first කියන්න.
හරි.
අය අපිට දුන්නේ නැහැ නේ. ඔයාලටත් දෙන්නේ.
මේ
කොයින්ද ආවේ?
ඒක තියන්න ඇති.
shit. Okay.
ඔයාත් පාවිච්චි කරනවද?
නෑ, I didn't.
Okay.
හරි. මොකද මම කීකේ හිටියේ?
Same. Pink turn lip balm.
This smells good, no?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, so මොනවාද මං කියන් හිටියේ?
මොකද්ද කීකේ හිටියේ? Yeah, so පව් ළමයි. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙමයි. Mom and dad obviously අපි business එකක් කරද්දිත් partners like ප්‍රශ්න එනවා. That is normal. You can't blame your partner for having problems. That is completely normal.
Yeah.
But sometimes at some points you all have to go for extreme decisions. My thing now as a child, I should say I did not grow up in a very nice family life, family background. But mama කියන්නේ if you all have arguments or anything, if you all need to sort it out, please keep your children away from it. Because they are not to be ඒගොල්ලන්ට blame කරන්න බෑ, and don't let them decide. Don't let them decide what the solution for your problem is, and don't use them as a key for your problem. Sometimes you know අම්මා තාත්තයිම ඉන්නකොට like they
ඒ වගේ problems කියම ඒ ළමයා they try to be aggressive and පොඩක් කියන දේ
sometimes
අහන්න
it's
නැතුව
like
යනවා.
this. හරිද? ළමෙක් එහෙම ලොකුවට trauma එක එහෙම when they grow up with trauma,
they think අර
they
පොඩක්
මෙමයි some people they go for drug. I know people.
yeah.
එයාට අම්මත් නෑ තාත්තත් නෑ. ඒ කියන්නේ ඉන්නවා but නෑ වගේ.
You can pleasure වගේ.
Yes,
Pleasure.
කණ්ඩ දෙන්නෙත් නෑ, බොන්න දෙන්නෙත් නෑ. අම්මා යනවා එහෙ මෙහෙ, තාත්තත් යනවා එහෙ මෙහෙ. තාත්තා හැමදාම
කිසි
රැට.
ගාණක් නෑ.
Yes, තාත්තා හැමදාම යාළුවොත් එක්ක බොන්න එළියට. I have this friend. So එහෙම and එයා ආච්චිත් එක්ක තමයි ඉන්නේ. ආච්චි is very old and she can't take care of anything. Education fully effed up. කවුරුත් බලන්නේ exam results ගැන. She got addicted to drugs.
she it's a girl.
It's a girl. She got addicted to drugs and she completely smokes 24/7. She does weed. She does a lot of shit. She takes pills just to fall asleep, just to forget about problems. She didn't want it. She didn't like it.
She was forced to maybe. I mean.
she was
Forced නෙමෙයි, I mean,
her brain just kept
She couldn't help it.
yeah කියන්නේ she had
Maybe those
suicidal
people
thoughts
think-
එයාගේ අත බැලුවොත් මෙතන ඉඳන් මෙතෙන්ට කපාගෙන
ඒ මිනිස්සු
Trauma.
හිතන් ඉන්නේ නැති like those stuff එම ගැව්වම like it cures
මෙමයි
like forgets.
එයාට හරි දෙයක් කියන්නවත් කවුරුත් ළඟ නැහැ. I tried to explain but she pushed me away.
I think
so
it's too late then.
it was too late in the sense she
It's
wanted
still not
to
too late. She can change.
she can change but she pushed us like මං advice දෙනවා වගේ තව
Maybe
advice
she-
දෙන
So I
කවුරු
have friends who are like පට්ට addicted ඔය ඒවට but they have changed a lot. Like ගොඩක් විදියට මාරු වුණා.
හරි maybe they don't have problems.
maybe
No,
ආතල්
no, no, no.
ආතල්
They
එකට
have-
ගන්න නැති.
No, they have problems.
What kind of
issue problems, family problems, like
No, I mean,
තව problems.
no, girls are sensitive, no. So it's hard to them to
No,
change.
but ඒගොල්ලෝ මාරු වුණා.
it's මේමනේ
ඔයාලට කෙල්ලෝ යාළුවෝ දෙන්නේ නැනේ.
කොල්ලෝ
කොල්ලෝනේ, yeah. I mean, she's talking about a girl, no. They are sensitive.
yeah
I think
so ඒක නිසා පුළුවන් තරම් although you have problems with your mom or dad sorry husband or wife පුළුවන් නම් just don't let them involve in your problem because
And-
ළමයාට ඕන වෙලා නෙමෙයි ළමයා ලෝකෙට ආවේ so it
Yeah.
was also the mums and dads decision to bring a child to this world
Yes.
so
And
then they
also-
won't be responsible for mums and dads problems so if you have something no matter what even if you're divorced or not divorced hari මොන hari just be nice to your children එතකොට divorce උනතර ළමයා දන්නවනේ ළමයාට අම්මයි තාත්තයි දෙන්නම ඉන්නවයි කියලා
And also drug addicted මිනිස්සු ඉන්නවනේ. Now actually now if they think about their family or their like ඒගොල්ලොන් කෙල්ල වෙනුවෙන් හරි මාරු වෙනවා කියන්නේ හොඳ දෙයක් bro.
yeah
Some
boys
people
no
they just change. කොල්ලෝ responsibilities ආවම they change.
මෙමයි every man cannot
Not
be
everyone,
changed
Yeah, not everyone.
okay and every woman can't
Yeah,
change can't change a man let's say ඔයා
Makeup එකක් වෙන විදියට අරවලා
හරිද දැන් හිතන්නකෝ ඔයා you're dating girl number 1 she tries to change you but you can't එතකොට she will consider you as a man who cannot be changed by any woman but it's not true
Yeah.
a man will change to only one woman either the mom or some woman that you really really love so much so a man අපි හරියට ගත්තොත් they are also very sensitive in their head although they act strong they are very sensitive but they don't show it they don't show it so එතකොට තමයි ගොඩක් කට්ටිය aggressive වෙන්නේ so when you bottle up your feelings you tend to have a lot going in your brain
And they shout at the loved ones.
yes they shout at the loved ones they move away so I know some people when they're upset and when they are going through something they just move away from everything so එතකොට හෙන භයානකයි because we don't know what they will do
yeah.
yeah
ඒ scene එකම suicide ඔක්කොම එන්නේ.
yes
Yeah. So out of the topic හරිද?
yeah
A question. Android ද iPhone ද?
okay
iPhone ද
එක
Android ද?
පාට switch වුණා but yeah
Android ද iPhone ද?
iPhone.
මෙමයි I have a little bit of explanation to do there Android is very user friendly and very convenient
Okay.
but
Convenient in the sense why? What?
බැටරි එක charge කරොත් එක battery
Yeah.
health එක
තව
තියෙනවා
දෙයක් තියෙනවා you can download APK
APK
files like ගොඩක් free
Yeah.
දේවල් you can download
Yes.
crack කරලා
ඒ කියන්නේ Android වල අර දැන් iPhones වල මොන හරි break කරලා download jail break වෙලා updates එන්නේ නැතු යනවනේ it doesn't belong to the iOS company anymore දැන් එහෙම scene එකක් තියෙනවා so conveniency and ඒ පැත්ත ගත්තොත් Android but since now we are used to in the sense I've not been using iPhone since
Yeah, see.
small
No,
days
the thing is camera and
Yes.
efficiency.
and අර කොච්චර
Smooth.
Smoothness එක
ඒ
තියෙනවා.
කියන්නේ the graphics and all I just
Yeah,
like it
I like
yeah,
it.
yeah it's,
At the
it
end of
feels
the day, camera
yeah.
means iPhone.
yeah, camera
නෑ Google Pixel bro
same camera තමයි ඉතින් pixel
bro ගොඩක් කට්ටිය කතා
17
කරලා
Pro Max and Google Pixel can't compare.
are you sure
Yeah, baby.
are you sure
Google Pixel
Yes.
and
No,
and
no.
I've researched it. I thought of getting the S26 Ultra, 17 Pro Max, and I said another phone. 17 Pro
nah,
Max.
but
for-
Google Pixel and iPhone they both use the same camera
The Sony only.
yeah Sony
Sony තමයි bro.
ඇයි එහෙනම් Sony වලට demand එකක් නැත්තේ Sony එකේ ඒව පාවිච්චි
What do you mean Sony doesn't have a demand?
It does?
bro,
Yeah.
මම
Hey, Sony FX3
මේ Sony camera
Sony ඔක්කොම.
මේ
Sony.
no I'm saying phones
Ah?
Sony phones නෑ
තිබ්බනේ
තියෙනවා, Sony phones
තියෙනවා
තියෙනවා. But ඒක ලොකු success.
ඒක තමයි මං ඇහුවේ
Maybe they can sell it for high price. Make
Yeah.
a high price නේ. Yeah.
these people bro,
cameras FX3 FX5
ඒගොල්ලොන්ගේ බයෝ චිප් එක හොඳයි කැමරා හොඳයි like everything is good
only downside is battery
battery yes
No, but
ඒ කියන්නේ
in the-
පරණ ඒවා
parane but in 17 Pro Max the battery is okay
yeah 15 and all I think
15 එක පොඩ්ඩක් heat වෙනවා වැඩි.
ඒ
ඒක
හින්දා
කිය-
battery ටග
Yes.
යනවා okay okay
yeah මේක heat issue නෑ
දැන් මං හිතන්නේ-
maybe from 15 Pro Max 16 Pro Max ඔක්කොම heat
හොඳයි
issue නෑ
දැන් ඉතින් ඔයාගේ
yeah
පර්සනල් කවුන්ට් එක ගැන මොකද තත්ත්වය?
personal account කිව්වේ you mean my
ආකිෆ්
skits?
නසර් කියලා එකක්.
it's a personal branding account
Yeah,
not personal account
yeah, personal branding
not
account.
bad it's not even a week almost 900 followers
Wow.
yes so it's ongoing something big is coming so
Yes.
very soon yeah
very big
Yes. පොඩ්ඩක් අපිට explanation එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද? Not about what the big thing is
Yeah.
ඒක නෙමෙයි. නිකන් what your account is and what your motive is.
it's like I'm gonna document my life I'm gonna talk about my failures my wins it's like I'm gonna tell about like my actual self like my Johnny
The
account
real
skit.
you.
Yeah Johnny account Johnny account එක skits නේ දාන්නේ
Oh,
so මේකේ I'm gonna talk the real me talk about the real me
right. So yeah, something big is coming කිව්වේ ඒක අපිටත් මොන හරි දැන් බලන් ඉන්න අපිට
Yeah.
not don't consider me as a person who's
not
working with you.
everyone
Yeah, so අපිට මොන හරි එකකින් නිකන් purchase කරගන්න
Yes, you
පුළුවන්
can,
වෙයිද?
yes you can buy something
Okay, all right. So guys, stay tuned. ඉතින් අපේ
ඉස්සරහට ලොකු
ආකිෆ්
කම්පිටිටර් කෙනෙක් එනවා
ආකිෆ් what?
ආගිම්
මොකද කියන්නේ?
ඉස්සරහට ලොකු කම්පිටිටර් කෙනෙක් එනවා
Yes.
not loco normal
Yes. So ඉස්සරහට
it's a big
අපේ
thing for me but
I've been trying to say ඉස්සරහට අපි like for about 10 times now. ලොකු
Three
දෙයක්
times.
launch කරනවා.
3 times කිව්වේ
Yeah. ලොකු දෙයක් launch කරනවා. So stay tuned. අපිට
tuned.
බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් මොකද්ද කියලා. ඇත්තටම කිව්වොත් මමවත් දන්නේ
මෙයාටත්
නැහැ.
දන්නේ නැහැ.
I don't know if you know.
නෑ මෙයාට එච්චර දන්නේ නැහැ
එච්චර දන්නේ නැහැ. But I remember you mentioned something. I'm not sure if it's that. I'm not going to mention it here.
I didn't mention it
Okay. So yeah.
yeah what about your
What about
how's it
you?
you hit 4K followers right congratulations bro.
thank you
Oh
Treat
my
මොකුත්
god.
නැද්ද?
Congrats.
treat 5k
Yes.
මේම කියලා
හරි
five ගෙවන්න.
ඔයාගේ මොකක්ද තියෙන දැන් ඔයත් මොකක් හරි අලුත් දෙයක් පටන් ගන්න. මෙහෙමයි අපි අලුත් දේවල් පටන් ගත්තට පට්ට වයිරල් අපි දාලා යන්නේ නැහැ බය වෙන්න එපා.
that's our base
Yes. We will always stick to that. කියන්න බලන්න.
මම
Yeah.
I'm starting something new same
ඒකත්
Yeah.
very soon
very soon
Very
yeah.
soon starting something and actually ඇත්ත කියන්න ඕනේ මේක කන දෙයක් කියලා අපි කියමුනේ.
ඔව් කනද
ඒක කිව්වනේ
Yes.
ඔයගොල්ලෝ කිව්වනේ last පොට්
නෑ නෑ අපි හරියටම කිව්වේ නෑ කියලා මම හිතනවා. I think
නෑ,
we did.
කිව්වා.
නෑ කිව්වා
එහෙමද කිව්වද? Ah.
ෆ්ලැග් කරලා ඔක්කොම කිව්වා
Yes.
Flat කරලා.
නෑ නෑ අපි හරියට ඔක්කොම ඉස්සර කිව්වේ නෑ. නෑ නෑ නෑ.
නෑ කිව්වනේ
කිව්වා
කිව්වා
Sure
ඔක්කොම
ද?
කිව්වා yeah
Yes. Okay.
you also have started something new
Yes, I actually started.
so did anyone reach out to you
Not
or
yet, because
why
mama-
don't you try calling or pitch
තාම නෑ because I want to කියන්නේ දැන් මම කරන දේ example එකක් මට හදාගෙන තියාගන්න ඕනේ. If they ask
show-
what we do,
to show,
yes.
okay.
no the thing is that's the thing why you do call pitch like pitch
Uh-huh.
කියන්න like you
Yes, I already dropped a text to a coffee shop. Let's see. reply කරොත් අපි කරමු නැත්නම් අපි තව බලමු. So මම launch කරේ guys. මම already launch කරලා තියෙන්නේ. So ඒක හංගන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. Pineapple Creations කියලා UGC agency එකක්. So ඒකේ ලොකුවට අපි models ලා අපි මේ
Just pure content.
Yes, pure direct
Product එක.
content. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි තව කාටවත් කියලා ප්‍රොමෝට් කරනවවත් නෙමෙයි අපි අපේ page එකෙන් collaborate කරනවත් නෙමෙයි. It's just we are providing the content for the brand or product. So let's say now you have your product. So කෙලින්ම අපි aesthetic විදියට ඒක ලස්සනට නිකන් you know ඒක
slide track
Yes.
cinematic
Yes,
nice
yes, cinematic විදියට aesthetic විදියට නිකන් Pinterest vibe එකට content එකක් හදලා කාගේවත් collaboration මුකුත් නැතුව කෙලින්ම යාලට දෙනවා
post it
you post it wherever you want, how many times. If you want to use it as an ad, use it, anything. Just we will do the production, editing, everything ඔක්කොම කරලා raw footage zone නම් එහෙමයි නැත්නම් එහෙමයි කියලා ඔක්කොම ටික දෙනවා. That's what we do.
okay nice so I think it's time to end the episode
Yes,
Yes.
okay.
so
Thank you guys.
thank you so much for watching I hope you
Yes.
guys
Please
enjoyed the video
like,
make sure you like share subscribe comment එකේ දාන්න I
Yes.
tell that part yeah
Yeah, so comment down below what we should talk about next. And thank you so much for sharing your opinions. Yeah,
See you.
see you
See you
guys.
guys.
Bye
Bye.
bye.